And the
And my name is Manish.
and if you like money and crypto, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Today, let's see what we have on the news. So, the US government trains 50 Nigerian investigators to combat cryptocurrency fraud. The US authorities train over 50 Nigerians to contain in a tweet posted via a verified Twitter account of the US Department of Justice on Thursday. The training, which will be held virtually, focus on enhancing the capacity of Nigerian investigators to investigate cryptocurrency. The webinar was a collaboration with the Federal Bureau of Investigation and the US Embassy in Kenya and the US Embassy in Nigeria and the US government on policies and programs to combat international narcotics and crime. So, cryptocurrencies are digital and virtual currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum and others that could be used to buy goods and services. They are also traded for profit, being unregulated and requiring no physical bank vaults. They provide a relative safe haven for criminals to launder proceeds of corruption, fraud, drug trafficking, and other heinous crimes. There are also concerns about security, with many sophisticated fraudsters able to hack into digital vaults and steal them from their owners. A study by Whitestream, an Israel-based blockchain analytics firm, regarding Nigeria's commercial hub as a focal point for Africa's crypto scams. Now, the research indicated that many scammers create personas of luxurious life to achieve from wealth created with cryptocurrency investments to attract unsuspected victims. Manish. Oh my god.
My God, there are so many this kind of scams, and
Right.
the crypto
But it's
scams are
so
keep on coming.
yeah, I mean people are so it's easy to get gullible, especially when they don't spend time to really research, understand that they can do it yourself. You don't need the banks, or you don't need even scammers to cheat your money. Of course, over time, myself and Manish had experienced certain hacks that have happened, and Manish had covered very extensively on secured platforms as well as best practices that can help you in your trading.
Yeah, and then I've seen that the South Africa side, that there are very much many crypto enthusiasts are there, and there are lots of
Mm.
traders from a South Africa side. If you see the crypto experts
Yeah.
also, and they have multiple exchanges also from belongs to South Africa. I've seen that,
Yeah, I think they
but
really, I mean, these nations actually benefit, Manish. They
mm,
did benefit from this space because previously any investments required you banking system, the transfer of money, and policies was very difficult for them to move money around. Today, you just need person A and person B using blockchain. You can transfer. So
yeah.
yeah, that's the world has be changing, and countries maybe not in the first world are actually also benefiting.
And you know, the one thing which I've noticed, it any YouTube channel is a famous, or any influencer which is famous, what they do, they create a similar kind of profile, and they try to approach people that okay, I'm a crypto expert, I try to help you out. Similar
Mm.
happens in Telegram groups as well. When
Yes.
you try to join certain group and share your problems, immediately that somebody will start DM you that okay, can let me know how I can help you, and their intention will be to try to find out your personal information and try
Mm.
to hack your wallets and all those.
Right. It's called social engineering in the cyber security. So people will try to fish out information like your wallet address and so forth. So don't divulge information, especially if it's personal. But of course, you can seek advice in terms of certain challenges you have. But just don't give out anything, especially your passphrase, your seed account, user ID, and password. And you gotta be on a trusted platform like Binance. There's Coinbase. There's also what is
I
that
know.
in the Webull. So far, so look at the trust level, look at the market cap that this platform has. I think Binance right now, in terms of exchanges, is one of the biggest. There's over 390 over exchanges. So, and some exchanges are prone to being hacked in terms of their protocol, right, Manish? So something to take note. Now, second news that I have, Pirate Bay. So maybe during our generations, we know a lot about Pirate Bay. So Pirate Bay earned millions in Bitcoin donations. Pirate Bay was one of the first to jump on board within a day. The site users has donated a total of 5.5 Bitcoins. At the time, Bitcoin was worth $125, Manish. This means that the site earned roughly 700 US dollars in 24 hours, which look promising. At today's exchange rate, we can't even call that spectacular, but more on that later. So while Pirate Bay users quickly embraced Bitcoin, copyright holders were rather concerned. Even informed the US trade representative about this looming threat that could make it harder to crack down on pirate sites. In April 2013, the site started accepting donations from the public by Bitcoin, a digital currency which operates using peer-to-peer technology. The RIAA wrote, adding that there are no central authorities or banks involved, which makes it very difficult to seize or trade Bitcoin funds. As time went by, the TPB donation rate started to drop off from its early high. In years that followed, daily average hovered around $10 worth of Bitcoin per day. The torrent site also added Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash, but those didn't really move the needle. Earlier this month, Bitcoin Cash option was swapped for Ethereum. In addition, Pirate Bay added a new Bitcoin address to its homepage, which prompted us to take a look at the current donation rate. After reviewing dozens of transactions that came in over the past year, we found a total amount of donations was roughly 0.07 Bitcoin. This was once again an equivalent to roughly $10 per day. Now, the average donation amount per day is nowhere near the hundreds of dollars that came in on the first day. However, Bitcoin has much more valuable over time. The $125 from 2013 has grown more to 50,000 at the time of this writing. This means that if Pirate Bay has hodled all the donations, it is sitting on a massive pile of cryptocurrency today. Between 2013 and 2015, Custo Media Technologies estimated that torrent site earned a massive 126.64 in Bitcoin donation. A year later, they reported 8.21 has been added. From 2017 onwards, the Bitcoin price rose quickly and roughly one whole coin came in since. Now, based on this quick calculation, it isn't exhaustive or perfect. We can conclude that Pirate Bay has earned 135 in Bitcoin donations over the years. If people is behind the site have kept all these coins, which is highly unlikely, this would now be worth $6.8 billion. Those are the
My
days.
God,
Manish,
those
we
are the
have,
days.
yeah, we have opportunities like Bitcoin. So a lot of people are asking us. I came across this information, which I will most likely do something over the weekend. Let's see this. It was a very interesting um, statement. Okay, so the statement goes like this: find a fundamentally good crypto project at around 3 cents per coin. Look for a great team and must have a capped supply. Get as many coins as possible. Invest long term. Think in years, not in months. Don't invest next month's rent money and thank me later. This is not.
Yeah, this is what we did for Moon Nation also.
This
This
is
is the
not.
research we did it for Moon Nation, and we are still hunting for that kind of coins,
Yes.
because
Yes.
that's the coin which makes you, I can say that make
Financial
you,
destiny is changed
yeah, the financial
massively.
destination change. All other coins you can just hold it and get some benefit of 2000 $3000. But if you really want to change the final destination, you have to hunt for that kind of crypto.
Yeah, and there's 11,000 coin managed. So we got to work our content writers to really do the research and feed us that feedback. So look forward, guys. We will be here for 1,000 videos. I'm sure we will be able to cover a whole bunch of coins. I know our champion in QQ Royal QQ, right? He's studied 71 coins.
Yeah,
The,
not easy,
not
all the
easy.
77 points he strategized. He created the circle strategies for tradings.
Right, and
And
he's watching this coin massively, and he's also helping us from the back end. So he has a team of people who looks at the coin, understand the nature, understand the inflow of money that's coming into the crypto space, and then he makes those tweak, and we benefit. So we have covered that last Saturday live. Do check it out. It's one of our top performing videos. Great community, the QQ community. Great community for MNG also. Thank you for your comments. So we are growing our channel, strong 450. So if you're watching this, there's a link below. You can join our Telegram group where you'll get updated every day. And myself and Manish will cover 1,000 videos, one a day.
yeah.
Manish, that's all I have in the news.
All right, so in hunt of another crypto, another promising project, I going to cover today's Synopsis network. Let's
Wow,
see how
synopsis.
promising it is and what is the benefit.
Awesome. So join us daily live on YouTube and Facebook, 9 p.m. Singapore time, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time if you're based in the US. And if you like money and crypto, make sure to smash the subscribe button. Manish, back to you.
All right, so this is a Synopsis network. They launched their token, I think, last Thursday, and there was some promotions and kind of airdrop going on. I think I missed that airdrop participations, but I can see there's some budges going on in the market because I was going through some Yahoo news and this crypto flashed out. So thought to cover and thought to share with our guys so that they will be also aware. So just to let you know, guys, this is something that which is launched on Ethereum platforms, and there is a very good team involved on it. So let's go through it and see how and what this tokens offers. So Synopsis Networks aims to bring the idea of a fully regulated financial institutions backed by DeFi products to the mass. Uh, the team with over years of hands-on experience in the business, startup, technology, banking, as well as the blockchain solutions. Synopsis is divided into product offering to a two broad stream: the retail and the institutional stream. So if you see their partners, they are quite major known companies, which is if you can see Chainlink, then you have 321 Cryptos. These are the famous names which I can see here. And talking about the product, Synopsis is the bridge to a new world of fundraising across all smart contract based blockchain, accessible for everybody with a democratize their systems, redesigned with a scratch, allowing to invest at the stage of project development. So quite interesting project, this one. This reminds me of Chainlink because Chainlink also has a similar kind of project. And they have their white papers. I'm not going to go through their white papers because I just wanted to cover the entire token and see what they are offering it. So in the launchpad, what is their offering is the Synopsis networks will be fully functional ecosystems built to connect investor with a promising project with their earliest stage. The tiered systems designed specifically to the network will give you investors to ability to contribute to the project they find appealing when the minimal capital. Okay, so if you see what kind of initiative they are bringing up, is mostly into a banking revolutions. If you remember last time I have covered about Aave, similar kind of services they are also providing it. They are trying to be a DeFi bank on more. Okay, so banking revolutions, what they are referring to, and what is their special payment card offers is uh, this Synopsis network want to have a systems that is more accountable, fairer, and better. The world is possible with the banking industry that reforms using the possibility offered by a blockchains. So most probably their agenda is to come up with a borrowing, depositing, staking, and swapping. So, similar to that, Aave and Chainlink. let's talk about their roadmap. And yeah, very interestingly, because I come to know about this token from Yahoo News and all their global partners. If you see the major platforms on the news channels, you can see Bitcoin.com, Yahoo News, Bitcoin Insider, all the major channels they have covered about this tokens. Talking about the roadmap, phase one, they have done it. Phase two, they have done it before the launch. That's the interesting part. And some of the points they have touched it from the phase three as well. So looks very promising, and they have around 6 phases on their roadmap. And in the first phase, definitely like other coins, social media, website, core team, and other basic things will be ready. In the second phase, they have a strategic partnership in place, working Ethereum based solutions, light papers, seed round, and token contract audit they have completed in the second phase, public sales, and Uniswap listing they have completed. And phase three, of course, the Ethereum and BSC implementation along with the KYC integrations. So these are their phases. And phase 5, phase 4, they have an interesting plan where they are going to integrate with Polkadot, Solana, and Cardano. And they have a Polygon integrations in phase 4, and then phase 5 and phase 6. Talking about tokenomics, the maximum supply is 500 million, right? Okay, yeah, 500 million. So across, this is distributed across various areas, starting from seed sales, private sale A, private sale B, community pre-sales, public sales, advisor, team, research, reserve, marketing, liquidity mining, and early staking. So these are the areas which is they are that tokenomics been distributed. Talk about team. Looks like a very strong team behind this token. You can see here they have CEO, the two guys, Powet and Miket. Then they have a chief of technology, which is Litvin, and on top of it, they have a big advisor team. If you see here, yeah, so team also quite big, very promising, and they are existence in all the social media platforms. Let's talk about how we can buy this Synapses token. There is, as of now, there is one way, which is Uniswap. Similar to the Pancake Swap, you have a Uniswap, which is for Ethereum platform. Similar way, very straightforward item. Just click on your MetaMask, in your password. Okay, once you click connect, select your token. You can select your token from Ethereum, and then SNMP is already selected here, so no need to select anything. Probably the transaction fee, which you have to be very careful, try to do with the 5 of 4. Just go with the auto also. This is 0.10. Since the Ethereum is recently upgraded, we'll try with the minimal transaction first. And if it's taking time, then we can increase the slippage tolerance. Okay, transaction deadline, just put it for 30 minutes. Within that 30 minutes, they have this entire blockchain will complete the transactions. Click here, connect to wallet, and you can select it. Because as of now I do not have Ethereum in my wallet, that's the reason it's giving error. If you have Ethereum in your wallet, you can do this. Let me see here. Okay, because the network is wrong, let me select the Ethereum network. Now it's connected already. Just because of I've selected a Binance network, it was giving us error. Now if you want to buy, if I have some Ethereum, think about 1 Ethereum, right? In place of 1 Ethereum, which is today it's costing $3,236, I'll be able to convert into 4,970 SNMP. And since I do not have fund in my wallet, the Ethereum, it shows insufficient Ethereum balance. And if I would have the the required Ethereum in my wallet, I can just click on a swap and I'll be able to complete the transactions. So this is how you will buy it. And you can also go through the white paper. Probably in upcoming sessions we'll be coming up with the proper analysis of this token, because we want to find more about this. And the team looks very promising, the project looks very promising. So we'll further come up with more details about these tokens. For today, that's all I have it.
Awesome. Thanks, Manish. For those who actually wants to know also about Chainlink that Manish spoke about, Manish, is this the direct competition to Chainlink, or they are
Mm,
modeling similar to Chainlink?
they are modeling similar to Aave and Chainlink.
Okay. So,
It's
we have
almost kind
covered.
of banking services they are offering.
We have covered that separately in other videos, so do check out our catalog. You'll be able to find a presentation on Chainlink just to get a comparison. I think the idea here is that most of them are copycats. So they will. Most of the blockchains, started from Bitcoin. We have copied over almost 11,000 coins, but they have comes with certain angles. Best practices people learn over time in the community, then they implement. The idea here is that if you've seen the power of Chainlink and if you believe in what Manish has just shared in terms of synapses, you can even look at, it's almost like peering into the future. So if Chainlink is let's say doing $3, and now Manish has brought on something that could be like similar to Chainlink but it's at 3 cents. So which one would you actually put your money as a retail investors, right? So yeah, good find there, Manish. Let's see in the next couple of days if we
Yeah,
can
so
cover.
our just we are just educational channel. We try to cover as much coin, and even our audience viewers, they can take a benefit of it. They can do, of course it's not a financial advice. Do your own research, try to find out more information. It's just giving you, we are connecting with you with kind of knowledge, and then you can explore further, and you can further
Yeah,
invest it
we
in
share
your
you
wallet.
the both the good and the bad as always, right? So, if any failures we make, any money we lost, we share. Any good wins we have or price prediction, we also share. Manish, was there a price prediction for this particular coin?
Yeah,
Did
I think price predictions I have not covered it today
okay.
because we have a planet. We have our format to cover
Okay, got
cryptos,
it. So
right?
you're
So
just giving
probably in
them
that
some heads
format
up.
we'll be covering that.
Okay, yeah. So we can look into that and then maybe do a comparison in terms of that direct
Yeah.
competition. That's something we can do. So let's see what's happening on the market. Again, very nice. 71. Love this. With now it's really about fear of missing out. We had some dips that created opportunities to buy. So the community was like acquiring more coins. So that's something to take note. Looking at the VIX, same. Today is the last day, of course, for trading. This VIX is actually the measure of fear or greed in the marketplace. So let's see today. Of course, so far the stock market has been stable. No news on things that more like eye catching, where you can maybe take some of the cryptos that you have gained and go into the to buy stocks that actually produces dividends. So let's see. Of course, today really nice green.
Wow.
If Loon was here, I would play the Loon dance. But however, of course, Bitcoin still have difficulties trying to break the 50,000 barrier. So let's see what's going to happen over the next couple of months. Crypto, of course, space, as I mentioned, 11,000 crypto coins and growing. So there's always new coins coming into the marketplace. 300 over, close to 500 over exchanges. The market cap is still at $2 trillion. A while back, we were at 1.4. So we have grown. With the highest we hit was close to 2.2. So there is this stagnation that happens between the flow of money pouring in. Bitcoin, of course, hold dominance, close to 50 over percent, Ethereum 20 over percent, and the rest of the altcoins is on 30%. So, Bitcoin currently is up 3.15 in the last 24 hours. Ethereum is up by 4.61. Cardano is up by 12.07. We're going to hopefully hit $3. BNB up by 1.63. USDT up by 0.05. XRP is up by 5.39. Doge up by 5.28. USDC up by 0.01. Polkadot up by 8.03. And Solana up by 9.47. Manish, $82. Looking back at our earlier videos, $29. My gosh, we
My
could have
God, it's
probably
more than
2x
2x already.
2x the money. So that's something to take note. Of course, looking on the last 7 days, some slight bearish some is bullish. So there is this mix
People
that
talk about Cardano, but actually the growth is coming for Solana. Actually, if you see that.
maybe I will cover that coin, Manish.
Hmm.
Solana.
No, this has a great potential and it's amazing project, Solana. Now also it's not so late to invest it.
Never too late. Never too late.
Hmm.
In fact, every coin, I mean, most of the top 20 coins will be seeing growth over the next couple of months because we are moving into that bullish cycle. Now, a few things. Maybe I just want to touch points. So, of course, Ethereum with Bitcoin, we are going for Taproot sometime in November. Ethereum also going for the 2.0 upgrade. We have covered that also in the previous video. There's 5 EIPs. So, learn about those. Manish has covered a well extensive of what those upgrades would mean. Cardano, of course, price prediction for October will be $3 to $5. Of course, again, all of these are not financial advice. These are all speculative assumptions. So do your own due diligence. BNB, of course, had a great run. At some point, we were buying BNB coins at about 600 over dollars. Today is at 490. Earlier on, I think we have dropped to close to $250 per coin. It is good to always have BNB coins because most of the other transactions, whether you do to Uniswap, Pancake, Swap, you can use BNB coins to actually convert those things. Especially Manish have covered on MNG, how to purchase MNG via the Moon Nation bridge or the Pancake Swap. Yeah, I think there's some changes also for MNG that they will be coming out from Pancake Swap and just solely using Moon Nation bridge. USDT, of course, there are still certain risks. They are being audited, so that's something that we have covered in recent videos, so that you can actually check on that. XRP, of course, XRP currently is going through the lawsuit. Rumors have it that maybe they might just pay the fine and they are second to Visa. So Visa also recently has moved into the NFT space. That's something to take note. Dogecoin, of course, one of our favorites, our first coin that we actually made 5x. So if you put 10,000, you would have made $50,000 from 7 cents all the way to 74 cents. It started to dip when Elon Musk went on the SNL live show. That Saturday, we were hoping that this thing hit the $1 mark. Unfortunately, we have seen the dip. So Elon has been busy recently working on other projects. So maybe he will come back on this Dogecoin to be the cryptocurrency of the world. Ethereum will become the bonds of the world, and Bitcoin the gold of the world. So there's some correlation for you. Dogecoin also is merging with Ethereum. I think one recent video we have covered, there is the programmer that actually confirmed that once that happened, the bridge is formed, Dogecoin can move into the Ethereum network. Polkadot, yeah, Manish, maybe I should cover Polkadot. I don't know anything what's happening to Polkadot. At one point of time, it was at 51 US
This is
dollars.
suspicious also because this is one of the premium coin token, and I don't know. At one point of time, it was around 50, and suddenly it's gone to half of its price. And even in the bull market, it's not able to recover. So I think we should.
Yeah, maybe I'll cover Polkadot this week. I don't know. This coin, have to do some research on that. Solana, of course, the Ethereum killer, so I don't want to go much into that, but I will definitely would like to cover these two coins because some of the coins we are following mostly in the top 10, and we have a quite firm understanding on what's happening and where they will be going. Looking at the charts, let's go to the charts. Of course, we have an uptrend on the Bitcoin. Sorry guys, I can't go into the technical trading view. I'm not too sure. I'll probably spend over the weekends to find out what's happening on that. Volume is getting a bit lower. You can see a dip on the volume. RSI, I can't see the RSI because this original view actually gives me very limited functionalities, but a very nice run up, as you can see, going upwards. We have seemed to have a nice support at a 44,000, but looks like we will be getting supported on the 46,000. Looking at the candle chart, this is the moving average. We are also getting closer to the golden cross, where we were at the death cross where the 200 actually crosses the 50, but now we are expecting the 50 moving average, the 50 MA to actually cross the 200. So that's something we'll be looking at. Now over at Bitcoin, of course, is HODL. This is a nice rainbow track for 10 years, has its own algorithm. So right now, looking at this, it's like some midway of the rainbow. So that's something we can actually take note. And as always, we need 51% of the total hash rate to actually keep the network safe, especially for where Bitcoin is concerned. You can see it was growing. So as China slowly comes out and set up base, every day we are getting more computation power to actually bring this up. And when we can do more transaction, we will be able to support the price action, which is predicted at $100,000 per coin, Bitcoin, anticipated by the end of this year. So maybe we can have an early Christmas. So let's see what happens over that. So Manish, today I guess it's a Friday.
Yeah.
So we will tomorrow, guys. We will be starting a bit late. We will be meeting one of our good buddies of ours who actually introduced us to MNG coin. So we'll go and have a celebration, and we will see you at maybe midnight
Yeah.
Singapore time. Yep. So that's all I have. Tomorrow we'll see you same time, same channel.
Take care. And if you have any further questions, as usual, please let us know. We have a multiple channels, and any channel, any platform, you can contact us. Take care, guys. See you
Take care.
tomorrow.
Take care, guys.